What's going on, guys? It's JJ here, back with another tutorial for you guys. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a tornado swing 9. Before you start trying to learn this trick, you need to be able to do a really nice tornado kick, up nice and high, nice and floaty. Also, it helps if you can do a corkscrew and a cheat 9, because a swing 9 is basically a upright corkscrew. Okay, so let's start with the tornado part of this trick. For the tornado kick, you want to kick really early. When you do it, make sure you drive that first knee up nice and high and kick straight out up to the corner. Once you kick and your leg is up here, you're going to change all your focus to behind you. So after you kick, you're going to turn and make the eagle shape with your arms, like you would for a corkscrew. And as your leg comes down, you're going to swing through. Practice that a couple times, getting comfortable with the swing through part, getting that eagle shape and staying up straight. It'll take a couple tries, but once you get it, it's easy. So once you can do that, you can change your focus a little bit. So after you kick, as you swing that leg through, make sure you're turning your head towards the front again as fast as possible. Spotting your target is really important for this move. Okay, so now let's focus on the swing 9. As you swing that leg through, you gotta turn your head towards the front and see the front as fast as you can, because that is your spotting area. As you take off, you wanna lift your arms and your chest nice and high. If you don't lift your arms and chest, you're not gonna get enough height to get the spin in. After you've lifted your chest and your arms, you swung your leg through and you're in the air, you're gonna wrap in nice and tight. Just make sure you're spotting the front, and then kick comes out. It should feel like you're doing a vertical corkscrew. At first, when you do it, you don't need to focus on the kick so much, just the motion and the spin. The eagle part of the tornado really helps to get that spin. So if you're struggling, make sure you're really getting that position and you're swinging your arms at the same time as your leg, so you can get maximum height. And then as your arms are out, you pull them in to get a really nice fast spin. Okay, so once you're comfortable with that, you're getting your tornado kick up to the corner, arms out to the swing, getting up nice and high. You're getting the spin, and you're getting to this point with your knee up. Now you can start focusing on the kick. So for the kick part, spotting a target is crucial. If you don't spot the target, you don't know when to kick out, or you're gonna kick low. So make sure as soon as you take off, you're seeing whatever's in front of you twice, okay? Also, spotting the target helps you to stay upright. If you're having trouble staying upright and you're leaning too much like a corkscrew, the problem is probably with your spotting. Once you can start getting the kick out, then all you have to do is keep doing it. The more you do it, the better it gets, and the more comfortable you are with the movement and the higher you get, the easier it is to get the kick out. Once you can see the target for the second time, you can put loads of power into the kick, and it actually looks like a kick as opposed to a foot placement, and that makes the trick look way sharper. I hope this video has helped you learn how to do a tornado swing 9. If you have any other questions regarding a tornado swing 9, or if there's any other tricks you'd like me to do a tutorial on, make sure you leave a comment below. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.